Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that first the price of SLP broke out this very big and massive falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful rally, but the price then could not break out this resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. And by the way, this resistance zone has been previously acting as a support zone here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance and the pricing got rejected here. And now recently, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price on SLP has broken out a down channel. And after the breakout, it is rejected by this resistance of $0.0021 and now again drop down. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for dusk, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, like this signal I shared on 18th of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and the rally to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently the price of SLP has broken out a quite long-term down channel since after the month of December, since the first week of December 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And by the way, here we have a quite strong support zone that starts from $0.0012 and goes to $0.001. And this is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel as well. And now the pricing is getting accumulated at this support level once again. By the way, here we have a very strong resistance at $0.0021. After the breakout from this channel, you can see that we had almost 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rejections by this resistance previously. This resistance has been acting as a support here, and for several weeks it has been acting as support here from 5th of July 2024 up till 10th of October 2024. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance, and in order to start a massive move from here, we need to break out this resistance of $0.0021. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel, that is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.006 has been recently working as a resistance here. Let me show you on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that we got several ejections by this resistance of $0.006. And before that, this $0.006 has been working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well, and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price and SLP. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is by the way here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 6 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.